bottom, the 11 of Dallas Conniff. Inside the next row, that is the, I believe that is the third, no, let's see, the 21K of Cassie Kingery. And next to her is a 70 of David Cooter Jr., the 2 of Justin Tyler, the 48 of Mark Conning. We'll get into the rest later. Julie Hendricks is bringing them around. It's feature time. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Slowly but surely, it's green flag and we're racing. That's the slowest restart I've ever seen in Rockford Speedway history. And we're every which way but loose. Whoa, look out. Where did Julie Heinrichs go? Oh, we're in the backstretch. We've got the Elsa car, the 50 Orion Smith. Who's going to hit him? Nobody. Woo! There was so much happening on that first lap. So the 23 of Brian Allen says, nah, I'm good. I'm going to stay out here. Ryan Ford. Pick your favorite driver. Let's see how she does this time, if she picks it up a little bit. She went too fast the first time. Now she went too slow. Let's see what she does this time. And they're now going to enter the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. All right, Julie, bring them around. Come on, Julie, step on the gas. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Go, Julie, go. Green flag, and we're racing. Oh, 3 wide on the restart. Here we go. For the lead. Oh, 5, 6, 7 wide out. Oh, we got a car lifted up off the ground. Look out. Greg Witt and the 13 car. Woo, that almost got ugly. The 13 of Morgan. I'm going to try to say her last name here. I had to write the pronunciation of it down just because. Morgan Mousahund. So there's one driver in the middle of the track. So we got some water on the track, race fans. Just hang tight. Now would be a great time. Get on over to the concession stand. Get yourself something to eat. Get yourself something to drink. And we'll have to get everybody figured out. But, yeah, that got very interesting on the back stretch as everybody was every which way and really nowhere to go. As the Metro ambulance group there out there attending to our situation, making sure everybody's safe and sound. As the 151 of David Cavan is going to bring them around. I have to wonder if there's going to be a class on restarts. They are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. He's going to pick it up, maybe. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing! And we're 3 wide into turn 1 again. And it's the 151 of David Cavan off to the races, followed by the 2 JR of Austin Schott. Oh, the 33 of Ryan Ford slams the car up in there to try to block the 89 of Tanya Hansen of getting that spot. Here comes the Elsa car. He's all over. That's Brian Nalen Jr. He went like a super low move. Here comes Justin Tyler. Wow, they're moving. We're everywhere. We're 3 wide into turn 3 and 4. Almost 4 wide. And we're every which way for Sixers. But David Cavan's getting away. Oh, the Elsa car makes contact with the 89 of Tanya Hansen. That's the 23 of Brian Nalen Jr. Justin Tyler getting around Tanya as well. And we got 3 wide coming out of 4 between Lisa Drummer, Bradley Lounsbury, and Julie Henricks. And it's the rookie, the 25 of Tyler, almost off the wall. Here goes David Cavan. Followed by Schott, Ford, Conniff. It's Bierman challenging the Chicago native. of Hartman. And it's going to be Beer Man to go ahead and try to get around Hartman. We got a car on the inside. That's the Elsa Special. Brian Neyland Jr. has smoke coming out of the front of that car. The 51 of Josh Zacharias pulls it off into the track. Yellow flag comes out. As the 23 of Brian Neyland Jr. is going to need to get a push to get him off the track. And the 70 car, David Cooter Jr., goes ahead and exits off the track. Rockford Speedway. You like